3, 2, 1.
What is the name of Fran's food-loving mother in the TV series The Nanny? The answer is A. Sylvia Fine. What is the only planet that rotates clockwise as viewed from its north pole? The answer is C. Venus. Make broken plate art. How would you do this? The answer is A. Save broken plates and paste on floor. Where are the islets of Langerhans? The answer is B. In the pancreas. What is the name of Judd Apatow's wife, who also stars in many of his movies? The answer is D. Leslie Mann. What is the predominant color in Amazon parrot's plumage? The answer is A. Green. What number is produced by displaying one of each of the Roman numerals in descending order? The answer is B. 1666. The man moves the baton on his neck and does a spin, then moves the baton on his neck. The man, what happens next? The answer is C. Finishes and takes a bow before walking away. When was Homer martyred? The answer is A. 319. How is blood supplied from the mother to the fetus? The answer is B. Umbilical cord. How can natural resources be classified from a human point of view? The answer is C. Renewable or non-renewable. About how many samba schools are in Rio? The answer is A. 30. Which parts of the plants have the most similar jobs? The answer is C. Stems and branches. When was the one-man, one-vote decision? The answer is C. 1964. How does he feel about working in his father's apothecary? The answer is B. None of the above choices. Brass and bronze are examples of what type of mixture composed of two or more elements, at least one of which is a metal? The answer is B. Alloy. How many million Christians live as a majority? The answer is A. 280. How much is Triceratops thought to have weighed? The answer is D. Between 13,000 and 26,000 pounds. What do you call a system that has one or more planets orbiting one or more stars? The answer is D. Solar system. The main functions of what complex carbohydrates are to store energy and form structural tissues. The answer is B, polysaccharides. What is an environmental threat posed by oil and gas acquisition and transport that is not posed by the acquisition and transport of the energy resources uranium and wood? The answer is C, pipeline leaks. Which of these actors is not in the movie Over Her Dead Body? The answer is A, Sarah Hills. In what year did Belgrade fall to the Ottomans? The answer is C, 1521. Where will you most likely hear howdy as a greeting? The answer is C, Texas. When did Bartek argue the Dnieper River was the origin of Slovene? The answer is A, 1986. The tiger is the national animal of which of the following countries? The answer is A, India. Use alternate to butter when making toast. How would you do this? The answer is A, use 1 cup of banana. In what country was the Chihuahua cheese created? The answer is C, Mexico. What might happen to the man when he was drunk? The answer is A, he might have become aggressive. Why did the narrator take the cord out of the wall? The answer is C, they wanted to drain an enemy. In the imperial measurement system, how many pounds are in a stone? The answer is C, 14. What may be true about the man? The answer is D, he is religious. What type of reaction is a process in which some substances called reactants change into different substances called products? The answer is D, chemical reaction. What may have happened if you did not get to the dentist on time? The answer is D, I would be forced to reschedule the appointment. In what year was Italian Somaliland established? The answer is A, 1922. What year was Victoria's first visit to Ireland? The answer is D, 1849. Treat constant migraines. How would you do this? The answer is A, drink grape wine. Make sure a place is optimal for your phone. How would you do this? The answer is A, check your cell signal when looking for a place. What is the main component of phytoplankton? The answer is A. Algae. What's the size of the South Ripple school population? The answer is C. 77. Which American musician does this statement belong to? When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. The answer is C. Jimi Hendrix. Which suffix means one who? The answer is D. In what year did the British government include Norfolk Island as an auxiliary settlement? The answer is C. 1786. Man is a name wearing stilts in a skate park. Another man is jumping along with the first man in the skate park. Man in skate park, what happens next? The answer is D. Is running while a car is passing in the street. What character did Liza Minnelli voice in the 1974 animated film Journey Back to Oz? The answer is A. Dorothy. What may happen after arriving to City Hall? The answer is C. I attended a friend's wedding. In what year was The Killers produced? The answer is A. 1946. What does Ashtabula mean in the Iroquois language? The answer is B. River of many fish. What may have happened if they didn't go to the gym? The answer is A. They may not have remembered their dream. When did Germany found their first settlement?